This is a Magnum K2. It has 4 dimple pins and 4 sliders. The pins are spools. So try to get into it. It's a Covert Instruments adaptive turner, and then just the longer multi-pick dimple flag. Alright. There's 1. Nothing on 2. Come on. You can do it. The sliders make it hard to get to the pins. There we go. So that was number 4. Then I set number 2 and got a little false set. So I'm going to switch to number 3. And I'm just going to try to set. There's sliders on both sides. 1. I believe there's 3 or 4 of them. Do I not have something set? I probably didn't set something right. Alright, let's see. Okay, there's, I believe the 2 sliders on the right are set. Maybe I don't have pin 2 set high enough. Let me check that. No, maybe I overset a slider. Let's see. Let's feel around back here and see what we got. There we go. I had those sliders overset, and then I just had to drop them and reset them. But that is the Magnum K2.